Yes. Gorgeous pink. Looks so... What happened? Welcome to Brittany Joy in real life. Yeah, it's not always great, but here we are. So, just want to let you guys know that this is actually pre-fleeking of eyebrows. If you don't know what that means, it actually means we're going to fleek them afterwards. They're going to be on fleek. I want you to notice the concentration. The effort that you put into this one eyebrow is the same effort that most men put into an entire outfit. Surgical-esque. Probably not a word, but it's what we're doing. What is happening? Brittany, what are you doing? But this is a lot of effort. Most guys don't care. We just want you to look nice. Oh my God. So we're going for a tri-colored eyebrow look. I don't even know what this technique is called. Right, you look crazy. So basically what we're doing is we're putting brown stuff around black stuff and we're gonna fade it into our face. Yeah, that does not look like how it was gonna end up, but you look great. No, we're not ready. Oh boy. Ladies, this is exactly the time when your guy is downstairs and he's ready to go already, and you're working on under eye number 2. Yeah, we've missed reservations. Wherever we was going has already ended. The comedy show, the movie, the dinner, the walk in the park. I just said just put on a little something and you did a whole pink eye. This looks like what happens when you fight a Muppet that's pink. This is amazing. The amount of effort and concentration needed to put on makeup by women is extraordinary. What's happening? Uh-oh. What are you doing? Snuffleupagus eyelashes. Oh my God. She's going to be able to cause a tsunami by blinking. This is definitely a nighttime makeup session because you should not look like this going to the store. More brown stuff. I have no idea what this is. We're going to call it a foundation of sort, but it's making her look even all over. It's kind of like a number 1 guard on some clippers. And now she's getting ready for battle. Yes. I don't know how this is going to blend in, but it's going to work. She's using a little spongy thing. Get the nose, get the forehead. You look like an extra in the movie Cats right now, Brittany. Like, it's doing a lot. I don't know what the end result is, but she's going to look amazing. Maybe. More brushing. All right, quick question, ladies. When dealing with anything with eye makeup, why do you open your mouth? Is it for concentration? Is it for precision? Is it because your mama did it? I don't know. But every time a woman puts anything around her eyes, her mouth immediately opens. See? Every time. Now we're creating a fake cheek. Like she didn't have those cheeks at the beginning, but now she does. She's hitting the edges, gotta hit the chin. Yes, it's amazing how makeup works. Now ladies, I know you realize that most men don't notice, but we're into the small details. So it's the little things that matter to us. So when you're doing your foundation and you're putting on your makeup and eyelashes and eyebrows and whatever you got to do, contouring your nose, make sure it matches your neck because we don't want a light-skinned neck and a dark-skinned face. Don't put on your summertime makeup in the wintertime. The precision. This is Brittany Joy. She has double brushes, so she's a professional at this. We're watching Picasso at work. Van Gogh of makeup. She created a bone structure on her face with makeup. Don't forget the nose and the mustache. That was funny. And now the lips. Lips are always the things that men notice. I don't know why. I'm gonna go. Yeah, I was gonna go on the limb and say it's probably gonna be pink. Seems to be the thing for today. Pink and brown. She look like French vanilla in the face and strawberry by the eyes and lips. Yes, honey, work it. Yes, yes. Now, can we finally go to the store? We can leave. Thank you. Thank you. Great. Peace out.